decades of experience solving complex motion problems, Aerotech has engineered the highest accuracy hexapod commercially available. Aerotech's Hex 500 350HL exhibits sub-micrometer accuracy. All systems are fully tested with specifications and plots to guarantee positioning accuracy performance. All axes of the Hex 500 350HL have industry-leading resolutions enabling more accurate and finer processes. Aerotech's HexGen hexapods are controlled by the award-winning A3200 control software. With controller solutions such as the HexRC or discrete N-Drive or M-Pack solutions, we provide a host of control solutions to meet the exact needs of the application. The A3200 can synchronize up to 32 axes at any given time, enabling simple control of the most complex motion systems. Included with all Hexapod systems is our visualization software built using Coppelia Robotics V-Rep. This software integrates seamlessly with the A3200 control package, allowing motion and coordinate system visualization real-time, along with modeling and collision detection capability. Aerotech's HexGen hexapods are ideal for applications such as sample, mirror, or fixture positioning in synchrotrons, satellite sensor testing, and general 6 degree of freedom precision positioning applications. Contact an Aerotech applications engineer or visit aerotech.com for more information.